Well, you'll be okay. We got two more days of this, Lily. 2 more days. Oh, you ate your supper. Yeah. Well, let's go see what your sisters are doing. You guys aren't going to believe this. Oh, Millie done run off, went back in the doghouse. They don't like it. Must have been some thunder. You get out of her bowl. Yes, the bowl is in the doghouse with Tilly because Tilly is terrified and will not come out. But she'll lay in there and eat, and they're going to share. Let me put your bowl in your doghouse. Yeah, that's what you got to do, man. Here, Tilly, or Millie. There you go. You got your bowl. Ah, the things you got to do for these dogs. Okay, go ahead and eat. Oh, unbelievable. All right. Well, it's day 2 of the great rain of spring. Yep. You know, this happens just about every spring. I've been here since 2012, and there's times we get a month-long rain, and this is one of them. You can see I got my sandbags. I had that done quite a bit ago, and not one drop of water has got in the new room. And we have had some monsoon rains, big time. And we got a little break in the rain right now, so haven't put a video up in a while. Haven't really had anything to videotape. You know, this is all just waiting on getting burned. It's cleared up. Take you over here real quick. You can hear how squishy the ground is. There's Lily. Why are you coming out? Because I'm out. But these are just waiting to burn. And I had my septic tank sucked out a few weeks back, and it's full again because the leach field is saturated. I mean saturated. But I am going to have to dig it up, find the D box, the distribution box, and see if it's clogged anywhere. But I've been over here, this ground is just saturated. We've had so much rain, and there's a lot more coming. It just can't drain off. And there's where the septic tank is, and the leach line. You can see here there's no drainage, and tearing all this down I'm sure has helped, but there's a clog somewhere. Getting some thunder. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do all this in one take, guys, because I don't have an editing program anymore, at least for right now. And man, is this a soupy mix. Over here, and I started raking all them little piles into one pile in this row, so I don't have so many to burn. Plus, you can see I got the string line now. I don't want to burn my string line up, so we're just waiting on drier weather and the perfect time to burn. All this stuff is ready to go. And if you've seen the post, Waddles passed away. He is buried there right next to Waldo. We're going to miss that guy. Yeah, I was not expecting that. A couple days before he died, I noticed his color in his comb was not as bright red, and he was losing color in it, and I knew that he was probably sick. You know, even though I worked with chickens for years, I'm not no expert when it comes to diagnosing things with him, but you have to understand Waddles, you know, was disabled, and I'm sure everything that he did was hard on his heart. Just moving around probably wore on his heart a little bit. And it's starting to rain. Let's go in here. Oh man. Then I got to dig those bowls out, but it's definitely more quiet. Alexa, pause the music. Alexa, pause the music. Alexa, stop the music. Oh, dumb me. It's the radio. Alexa can't pause the music if it's on the radio, right?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Ain't nobody talking to you. Okay. So I came out this morning and I got my laser shop set up again. Turn on the light here. And this is the new one, and I just kind of ran a test job on it. And got the computers, the battery banks back out here. On this one I need to turn off. But these things work out great for running these lasers. Well, are you going to turn off or what? Oh, hit the power button, dummy. So anyway, we got the shop set up again. I got to start getting out here, and now I gotta refresh myself with everything I learned, because it doesn't come back to me. But once I start doing it, it'll probably come back to me a lot faster than when I had to do it before. So what I run this morning. Where'd it go? Yeah, I did that. That is what I'm gonna do. Something like that for Waldo's headstone. Now, I got these 12 by 12 sheets of wood, and I ordered some 12 by 12 pieces of plexiglass. So what I'll do is I'll engrave on here, and then I'll make a frame, and then I'll take that plexiglass and put over it, and then I can make his own headstone. I'm not making it out of marble or any of that. I just don't have that kind of materials here. And then what else did I do? Oh yeah, this is the new one, and we're gonna make one. We're gonna make one for Waddles. As you can see there's a test run, just to see. I've never used this laser before, just to see how it does. So we'll make something for Waddles as well. You know, he was a big part of the channel. Everybody liked Waddles, and the day after he passed, or the day he passed away, man, those hens you could tell they were upset. The one that was always with Waddles was just walking around. She didn't know what to do, just squawking, and I've never seen chickens mourn like that. I don't know if that's what was happening, but she was, she was like Waddles' main squeeze, and that was kind of sad to see, but so we're trying to get through the rain, and then hopefully I can get back to doing some projects. Let me see if I can look out the window here and show you guys. Okay, well, the tree's in the way, but where I put the roof over the door entrance, I am going to make... Let me go out here. I'm trying to do this in one take, and it ain't working. Turn the light out. I'm out of practice. Haven't made a video in over a month. Okay. I knew that roof was going to be temporary anyway. Them stupid chickens are out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to reframe it just like that. I'm going to come all the way to the end. So I'll have to, kind of recraft that up there on the rail. It's going to have like a little knee wall. And it's going to have the green just like that. You won't be able to tell the difference. It's going to come all the way to the end. This is terrible. I've got tar. I've got flashing. It was never permanent anyway, but that's how I decided I'm going to do that. So it's going to, be one long transition. Still got to get the windows, the trim on the windows. At least that, for the most part, that flashing tape's holding up. But nothing's leaking in there. I really can't get past that. The guttering's in the right place. It's just kind of flowing through here and then down through here and then out. And then whatever happens in here, like I said, I've already mowed once. And the winds are picking up, but the French drain is working. It was really gushing earlier. But it's a wet mess out here. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I've done in the month. I really haven't done a lot. It's pretty quiet over there now without Waddles. Just got the mower out, and I bought new tires, put new tires on the front. And I need to get a new battery. Usually I take these batteries in And I keep them in the house in room temperature, and they last a couple of years. But let's see, I got that in probably the spring of 23. It says 11/22. It's no good. It wouldn't. I charged it up, and it wasn't enough to start the mower. I had to jump it. So, but I got new blades. I got a new battery I got to put in. New tires. It's ready to go. All right, let's see what somebody brought their bowl out. Tilly, you ain't been out of there all day. Are you still eating your supper? Let's bring your supper out here, okay? Yeah. Well, you ate the meat out of it. Yeah, you just got the dry. We'll put that out here, okay? And we'll leave you guys alone. They're in their doghouse, nice and warm. I got their, it's about 60 degrees, maybe a little less. Got their heaters on, no, I mean 50 degrees. I got their heaters on too. Still running their heat, but they got their summer water bucket out. They don't need the heated bowl anymore. So we'll just put these out here. I got the truck pulled under here. I did have the other one in here before I put the mower out, just so the windshields don't get busted by, well, look who's out, by hail. Yeah. You gonna come out and see what there is left? There's no more thunder. Yeah, she's a good girl. All right, guys, just a bunch of nonsense. We're doing fine here. Really haven't had any major threats. There's going to be some stuff in the area for the next 2 days, but I think we'll be fine. Thanks for watching. Happy trails. And this one, well, she could care less. Nothing scares her. She just wants to be outside, but she's stuck in here with me in the living room. And then Tilly's in that room because they don't get along. So we're just going to have to deal with it.